He's starting to death.
You guys sell on eBay?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Did you, it doesn't bother you about the $600, you have a store?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We're at the American Thrift Store in Hollywood, Florida.
We're in line.
There's a line. We're here for opening, 10:30.
It just opened. It just opened.
Let's see what we find.
New merchandise with excellent prices for you. Thank you for shopping with us. No te pierdan nuestros especiales, precios reducidos de todo.
Don't forget to visit the furniture department. We're on the left and right side of the main store. We have merchandise.
We found this Callaway hat, and it was a bit dirty, but for 99 cents, we'll just pop it in the washer, and it should be in great condition and ready to sell for a nice little profit.
Los viernes para la hora feliz de 4 p.m. a 8 p.m. También aceptamos todo tipo de pagos como tarjetas de crédito con una pequeña tarifa. Recuerden que de jueves a domingo estamos imprimiendo hoteles. Y ya soy dólar de nuestro nuevo programa exclusivo Stop, ya disponible para todos los compradores de tienda de segunda mano. Es una oportunidad para ahorrar a lo grande. 25% más de puntos de recompensa en cada compra, 10% de descuento en joyas y etiquetas amarillas y descuentos adicionales en el...
Is it Poland?
Yeah. And it's like goes for 30 to 40. I'll do these hats. Yeah, we'll pass on it. It's too big.
Okay.
It's cool, but it's too big.
I don't look for the sword. The sword finds me. Sword.
Look. 89.
Go. So, this is Luke Skywalker's. You can tell because he had a green lightsaber. You might say Yoda at first, but then we look here, it's Obi-Wan's influence on his lightsaber and Anakin Skywalker's. The grip. We found the Sorcerers of the Magic Kingdom cards, and it also came with some maps from the game. And there are a ton of these cards out there, but I know that they're also discontinued. We don't know if they're actually worth anything, but for the low price that I was at, it wasn't that much of a risk. And they seem pretty cool. This doesn't count unless it's like in a set, and even then I don't know if they'll sell it to us because it doesn't have a price tag.
Yeah,
I
but
think
if
it
somebody's
was.
starting a
You
deck.
guys sell on eBay?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you, it doesn't bother you about the $600, you have a store?
Yeah.
Yeah, the minimum revenue on eBay, like this woman.
Because a lot of my stuff was, I was going to sell a hell of a lot more than $600. So
Right.
I've got all this stuff around my house, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I
hoping-
think the old cap was like 20,000 or something.
It was a lot.
Yeah, it was
Yeah.
high.
They're trying
Yeah.
to stop resellers, I
600.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw y'all looking at that.
Yeah. We're looking it up. Yeah, yeah.
I mean, there's other places to sell. I've never have.
Yeah.
I tried Facebook Marketplace, horrible.
Yeah.
Like
There's no
Mercari and Poshmark, those are the ones that other people use.
Poshmark,
Yeah.
yeah.
Poshmark and Mercari, I hear a lot.
Clothes,
Yeah,
though, and
Poshmark's
I'm not
closed.
Mercari is
Yeah.
everything though.
Which
Try and, get,
And we
get
just started a YouTube channel to try to
Yeah.
like
Cool.
help. So that's what the cameras are for, to
Yeah.
like do our videos of finding everything.
Well, I wish y'all a lot of luck.
Lovely speaking to you.
On this thrift haul, we went to the American thrift store and spent around $55. And after adding up all the comps for expected profit, we easily expect to triple our investment on eBay.
Yeah, every time we go to this thrift store, we always find a lot of unique items, and you just don't find stuff like that at a Goodwill, at least not for the same prices that we get at this one, which are super low.
Well, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for new picking videos every Saturday, 11 a.m. Thanks.
See you next time.